Welcome back to my channel, where today we're diving into the powerful world of manifestation. Whether it's achieving your dream job, finding love, or improving your health, the law of attraction can help you bring your desires to life. Firstly, understand what is manifestation. Manifestation is the process of turning your thoughts and desires into reality. By focusing on positive thoughts, visualizing your goals, and believing in their attainment, you can attract what you want into your life. 2. Setting clear intentions. Start by setting clear and specific intentions. Write down what you want to manifest, be it a new car, a promotion, or inner peace. The more detailed and emotionally connected you are to your goals, the more powerful your manifestation will be. 3. Visualizing your goals. Visualization is a key tool in manifestation. Close your eyes and imagine yourself already in possession of what you desire. Feel the emotions associated with achieving your goal, whether it's joy, gratitude, or excitement. 4. Practicing gratitude. Gratitude is essential in the manifestation process. Express gratitude for what you already have in your life, as this positive energy attracts more abundance. A gratitude journal or daily affirmations can help cultivate this mindset. 5. Taking inspired action. While manifestation involves the power of the mind, taking inspired action is crucial. Opportunities may arise, but you need to be ready to seize them. Step out of your comfort zone and align your actions with your intentions. As you embark on your manifestation journey, remember that consistency, belief, and positivity are key. Trust in the process, stay aligned with your goals, and watch as the universe conspires to bring your desires to fruition. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.